You're not going to believe what's happening to the digital gold. SEC's crypto showdown is on. Before we get into this, give us a like first and follow for more updates. SEC is now laser focused on crypto leaders, and it's like they're hunting down the mythical Bitcoin itself. First up, we've got CZ, the fearless CEO of Binance, accused of some seriously sketchy business. And then there's Do Kwon, the Terraform Labs co-founder, who's in a Terra BLE legal battle. Alex Mashinsky, the man behind the Celsius network, says he's not guilty and fighting like a crypto warrior. Barry Silbert, with Digital Currency Group, is facing a $1 billion showdown with the New York's Attorney General. Stephen Ehrlich, the Voyager digital captain, is navigating treacherous legal waters as well. Last but not least, we've got Justin Sun, the Sun face of Tron Foundation, accused of some star-studded shenanigans. But hey, besides the fact they're all crypto leaders, they're also denying all the funny business against them. So, what do you think about this? Drop your thoughts below and share this news with your crew. For more updates, tap that follow button for more financial news.